Drop it.
Hello guys, I'm Muhammad Hafiz. Today I will show you how to install RAM into your laptop.
Firstly, this is my laptop specification. This is how much RAM installed in this laptop. To get more information, go to the Task Manager and click Performance. As we can see, it's already used one of two slots in this laptop, which means we can install one more RAM into this laptop to increase the capacity of the RAM.
Firstly, switch off the laptop. Flip the laptop to see how many screws to open. Using a screwdriver, take off all the screws at the back of the laptop.
Next, use this thing to open this back cover here. Note that this cover is hard to open, so you need something to do like this. Okay? Make sure you do it carefully so you don't to damage the internal. Okay?
So this is the battery. This is all the motherboard here. This is slot for HDD. This is the SSD. This is the CPU, and this is the additional slot RAM in this laptop. So we're gonna install the RAM into this. Okay. So this is the RAM, and I will insert this into this slot. Make sure this female connector is connected with that male connector. Okay, just simply insert it, then pinch it smoothly, like that. After that, put the cover back in here. Just push it. Okay. Then we turn off first the laptop to see if that RAM is working. So I turn back my laptop, turn on back. So I go back to the about my PC to see if it works. So yeah, as we can see, it tells us that the install RAM already 8 GB. Okay, we go back to the task manager to see the overall the performance, and yeah, we already use another slot, so 2 of 2 slot is being used For the slot 1, 4 GB, and for the slot 2 is 4 GB also. And as we notice, the percentage of the RAM use is a little bit lower than the before. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Thank you.